Yes, good morning children.
Good morning, madam.
How are you all?
We are fine.
Okay, today we are doing activity about systems of our body. Are you ready to do?
Yes, madam.
So I will give a small example. You have to identify the system. Are you ready?
Yes, madam.
Done. So controls all functions of our body. Which system will controls?
Nervous system.
Very good. Nervous.
System.
Done. So carry oxygen and food to all parts of the body. Collect waste materials from all parts of the body. Which system?
Circulatory system.
Very good. Circulatory.
System.
Good job. Absorb oxygen from air and gives out carbon dioxide and water vapor. Which system?
Respiratory system.
Good job. Respiratory.
System.
Spoke out, everyone. So, give shape to body, protects internal organs. Which system will give shape to our body?
Skeletal system.
Very good. Skeleton.
System.
Good job, ma. Digest food throughout waste material. Digestive food. Which system?
Digestive system.
Good job. Digestive.
System.
Very good. Movement of body parts. Movement of body parts. Which system?
Muscular system.
Very good. Muscular.
System.
Good job. Remove waste from the body. Which system?
Renal system.
Good job. Renal.
System.
So, very good, ma. These all are our main organs in our body. Very good. Everyone clap yourself.